Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the sound and vibration. Here we have to scroll down to this ringtone section, and as you can see, we can change the ringtone for the first or the second SIM card. Basically, the ringtone is divided between them, which is quite cool because we can set totally different ringtones for them. So let me show you how to do it using the first one. It does not really matter, it works the same. After tapping on the specific SIM card ringtone, we will be transferred to the pre-installed options from which we can choose. At the bottom of the list, we've got this option Add Ringtone, which means that after tapping on it, we'll be transferred to our own files, and we will be able to choose something from, for example, downloaded options. And on the other hand, at the top of the list, we've got the option None, which means that your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. So in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, we have to simply tap on it and, of course, unmute the device. So it should be okay. So this is how it works. Just tap on it and decide whether you like it or not. So let's pretend I want to set the African tone. Make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.